Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The non-return valve or check valve is a silent guardian in your ship's piping systems, ensuring that fluids flow in only one direction and preventing dangerous backflow that could damage pumps or contaminate tanks. Maintaining these valves is vital for the integrity of your bilge, ballast, fuel, and cooling systems. To begin your maintenance routine, you must first identify the type of non-return valve you are working with, whether it is a swing check, a lift check, or a screw-down non-return valve. Start by isolating the section of the pipeline and ensuring there is no pressure or hazardous fluid remaining. Once the line is safe, you can begin by removing the bonnet bolts or the cover plate to expose the internal mechanism. Carefully lift the bonnet and remove the internal assembly, which usually consists of a valve disc, a hinge pin or a guide, and sometimes a spring. The first thing to inspect is the seating surface on both the valve body and the disc itself. Look for signs of wire drawing, pitting, or any debris that might have been trapped between the seat and the disc. Even a tiny piece of scale can prevent the valve from sealing properly, leading to backflow. If you find minor scratches or uneven wear, you can perform lapping using a fine grinding paste to restore a perfectly flat and tight seal. For swing check valves specifically, you must pay close attention to the hinge pin and the clapper arm. Check for excessive wear at the pivot points, because a loose hinge can cause the disc to sit off center, resulting in a major leak. For lift check valves, ensure the guide stem is straight and smooth. Any buildup of scale or carbon on the stem can cause the valve to stick in the open or closed position, which is a serious safety risk in systems like the fire main or boiler feed lines. Clean all components thoroughly with a suitable solvent and a soft cloth to remove all traces of old grease or sludge. If the valve is a screw-down non-return type, inspect the spindle threads and the gland packing for any leaks or stiffness. Replace the gland packing if it has become hard or brittle over time. Always replace the bonnet gasket with a new one to ensure a leak-free seal upon reassembly. When putting the valve back together, verify that the disc moves freely throughout its full range of travel. Reinstall the bonnet and tighten the bolts in a diagonal sequence to ensure even compression on the gasket. Before returning the system to service, perform a functional test by observing the flow and checking that the valve closes instantly when the pump stops or the pressure reverses. Proper maintenance of non-return valves prevents pump housing bursts and keeps your ship compliant with international safety standards. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.